You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is t equals -13/4. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Expand the parentheses. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Swap sides. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 2 from both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the t. Divide both sides by -4. Cancel out the negatives. Simplify the fraction. Move the negative sign from the denominator to the numerator. And so the final result is t equals -13/4.